Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install and use the Revanced Manager app for Android apps in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Revanced Manager allows you to customize supported apps with extra features like ad blocking, background playback, and interface tweaks. First, open your browser and go to the official Revanced GitHub page. Download the latest Revanced Manager APK file. Before installing, open your phone settings, go to Security or Privacy, and enable Install from Unknown Sources for your browser or file manager. Now tap the downloaded APK and install the app. Once installation is complete, open Revanced Manager. On the home screen, tap on Patcher. You will see a list of supported apps like YouTube or YouTube Music. Select the app you want to modify. If the recommended version of the app is not installed, Revanced Manager will prompt you to download it. Always use the suggested version for best results. After selecting the app, choose the patches you want. Beginners should leave the default recommended patches selected, as these are the most stable options. Once done, tap the Patch button. The app will now build the modified version, which may take a minute, so be patient and don't close the app. When patching is finished, tap Install to install the patched app. You may need to uninstall the original version first. After installation, open the patched app, sign in normally, and start using the extra features. That's how you install and use Revanced Manager safely and effectively. Subscribe the channel for more videos.